Okay children, let us do the remainder works in the exercise 8.3. Okay, page number 150. All of you should do with me. Take your book and copy. Next, portion B. Find the time. 3 hours 30 minutes after 5:30 p.m. What should we do? 3 hours 30 minutes after 5:30 p.m. After 5:30 p.m. 3 hours 30 minutes. What should we do? Yes, we have to add this duration with this time. Okay, it is the starting time, it is duration. Next we have to find the finishing time. Okay, do you know the formula to get finishing time? Finishing time is equal to starting time plus duration. Okay, if we want to find the starting time, let us write ST for starting time. ST, starting time is equal to finishing time minus duration. Okay, finishing time minus duration. If we want to find the duration, duration is equal to finishing time minus starting time. Okay, finishing time is equal to starting time plus duration. Okay, then starting time is equal to finishing time minus duration. Okay, finishing time minus duration. Next, duration is equal to finishing time minus starting time. Okay, all of you should by heart these three formulas. Okay, finishing time is equal to starting time plus duration, and starting time is equal to finishing time minus duration. Then duration is equal to finishing time minus starting time. Okay. Okay children, here our first work, 3 hours 30 minutes after 5:30 a.m. After 5:30 a.m. What should we do? Yes, we have to find the finishing time. Okay, you know finishing time is equal to starting time plus duration. Okay, so let us write finishing time FT is equal to starting time 5:30 a.m. 5:30 a.m. plus duration 3 hours 30 minutes. 3 hours 30 minutes. Okay, let us find. First we have to make two columns, hours column and minutes column. First 5:30, 5 hours 30 minutes plus duration 3 hours 30 minutes. Okay, and 30 plus 30 60, then 5 plus 3 8. Children, can we say 860? When the 60 minutes are completed, it will become 1 hour. Okay, so 860 means this 60 minutes will become 1 hour. So let us add the 1 hour with hours. 1 hour. 8 plus 1 9. Then now is there any minutes? No, only 0 0. So let us say 9:30 a.m. plus 3 hours 30 minutes is equal to 9 a.m. Okay, answer is 9 a.m. Okay children, the second one, 2 hours 45 minutes after 11:10 a.m. After 11:10 a.m. What should we do? Yes, we have to add. Okay, it is the starting time and it is the duration. To get finishing time, what should we do? Starting time plus duration. Okay, let us do hours column and minutes column. Then first starting time 11:10 a.m. no, and duration 5 hours 45 minutes. 5 hours 45 minutes. Okay, let us add 10 plus 45, 55. Okay, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, then next 11 plus 5. 11 plus 5, 16. Okay, now 16:55. Which time is that? Yes. What should we do? How can we convert to 12 hours clock time? Yes, subtract. It is more than 12 hours. So we have to subtract the 12 from this number. Okay, let us subtract 12 hours. 5 minus 0, 5. 5 minus 0, 5. Then 6 minus 2, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, 4:55. AM or PM? Yes, PM. Here you can see 11:10 a.m. Okay, that is before noon. Now 16:55, that is PM. So we have to write 4:55 PM. So our answer is 4:55 PM. Okay. Third one, 2 hours 5 minutes after midnight. Midnight means yes, 12 o'clock midnight. 2 hours 5 minutes after midnight means yes, we can say it very easily. Then after midnight, how can we write? 00:00 hours. Okay, 00:00 hours. Okay, we have to add this duration with it. How can we do that? Okay, hours column and minutes column. Okay, first 00:00 plus 25. 2 hours 5 minutes. How can we write? 05. Can we write this 5 here? No. That will become 50. So we have to write 2 hours 5 minutes like this. Okay, 05. Now let us add 5 plus 0, 5. 0 plus 0, 0. Then 2 plus 0, 2. Time 2, 5. AM or PM after midnight? Yes, AM. So we can write answer is equal to 2, 5 AM. Okay, it is the answer. Okay, fourth one, 4 hours 15 minutes after 9:30 PM. After 9:30 PM means time is starting from 9:30 PM. Okay, it is a starting time and it is the duration. Here we have to find the finishing time. Finishing time is equal to starting time plus duration. You know that. Okay, so what should we do? Yes, starting time. First we have to make 2 columns, hours column and minutes column. Okay, first starting time 9:30 PM plus duration 4 hours 15 minutes. 4 hours 15 minutes. Okay, and 5 plus 0, 5. 3 plus 1, 4. 9 plus 4, Yes, 9 plus 4, 13. Okay, 13:45. Here it was PM. Okay, here we have to convert it to 12 hours clock time. It is extra, no? Only up to 11:59 we can say PM. The extra what is? That will be AM. Okay, so what should we do to convert? Okay, minus 12 hours. Then 13 minus 12, 1, and 45 minus 0, 45. Okay, here it was PM. So after 12 hours it was PM. Okay, here when we subtract 12 hours that will become AM. Okay, AM. Then answer is equal to 1:45 AM. Okay, it is the answer. Okay children, next fifth one, 5 hours before 8:15 AM. 5 hours before means up to 7:15 AM. It is the finishing time, and duration 5 hours. Here we have to find the starting time. Starting time is equal to finishing time minus duration. Okay, let us do. Starting time is equal to 7:15 AM minus 5 hours. 5 hours. Okay, let us make two columns, hours column and minutes column. Hours, first 7:15 AM minus 5 hours only. So here double 0. 5 minus 0, 5. 1 minus 0, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. Now time. So time 2:15 AM. AM. Because here we can write the same. Because there was no subtraction of 12 hours. Okay, so let us write the same. AM. Okay, 2:15 AM. Answer is equal to 2:15 AM. Okay, very easy work. Then sixth one, 12 hours before 6:30 PM. 12 hours before 6:30 PM means 6:30 AM. Okay, you know that 12 hours before 6:30 PM means 6:30 AM. Okay, so just let us write that answer very easily. Answer 6:30 AM. Okay, 6:30 PM. How can we write it in 24 hours clock time? Yes, 6 plus 12, 18. 18:30 minus how many hours? 12 hours. 0, 3, 6. Here we have subtracted. So we have to change the PM to AM. Okay, 6:30 AM. Very easy work. Seventh, 4 hours 15 minutes before 5 PM. Okay, before. So it is the finishing time. What should we do? Subtraction. To get the starting time, what should we do? Finishing time minus duration. 5 PM means 5 plus 12, 17. 17 hours minus 4 hours 15 minutes. 4 hours 15 minutes. Okay, how can we change in? Okay, here minutes column, hours column and minutes column. Here 0 minus 15, can we do? No. So what should we do? Okay, borrow 1 hour from here and make it 60 minutes. Okay, it will become 60 minutes. 1 hour will become 60. When 1 hour moves to minutes column, it will become 60 minutes. 1 hour 60 minutes. Now there are 60 minutes, but here only 17 minus 1, 16 hours. Okay, now let us do 60 minus 15 is 45. Then 16 minus 4, 12. Okay, 12:45. Time 12:45 p.m. Okay, answer 12:45 p.m. Okay. Okay, children, the 8th and 9th you can do. Okay, I shall help you to do the 10th one. Okay, 3 hours 50 minutes before 1:45 a.m. Okay, before what should we do? Subtract. Okay, 1:45 a.m. minus 3 hours 50 minutes. 3 hours 50 minutes. Okay, children, can we subtract 3 hours from 1 hour? No. So what should we do? Yes, we have to add 12 hours with it. But in the answer, we have to change the AM to PM. Okay. Okay, let us add 12 hours with 1:45 AM. Okay, what will be the answer? 12 plus 1, 13. Okay, hours, minutes. 13:45 minus 3 hours 50 minutes. Okay, children, can we subtract this 50 from 45? No. So what should we do? Yes, we have to borrow 1 hour from hours column. Okay, so this 13 will become 12 and 45 will become 60 plus 45. 60 plus 45, 105. No, 105. Now we can subtract this. 45 will become 105. So let us subtract this 50 from 105. Okay, 5 minus 0, 5. 0 minus 5. No, we can't. So 10 minus 5, 5. 55. 12 minus 3, 9. Here we had add 12 hours with this time. So we have to change the AM to PM. Okay, so answer will be here AM, no, so it will be PM. Okay, answer 9:55 PM. Okay, very easy work. Okay, children, all of you should do this works, and if you have any doubt you can ask to me. Okay.